Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pancakes. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder for that perfect rise. Don't forget half a teaspoon of salt to balance the flavors. For the wet ingredients, grab 1 large egg, 1 1/4 cups of milk, and 3 tablespoons of melted butter or neutral oil. These are all common items you likely have on hand. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, whisk together your flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt until they are well combined. In a separate, medium-sized bowl, whisk your milk, egg, and melted butter until smooth. Next, pour the wet ingredients into the dry mixture. Stir gently until everything is just combined. Remember, a few small lumps are actually good for fluffy pancakes, so try not to overmix the batter. It's time to cook. Place a non-stick skillet over medium-low heat and lightly grease it with a little butter or oil. Once hot, pour about 1/3 cup of batter for each pancake onto the skillet. Cook for approximately 1 to 2 minutes on the first side until you see bubbles forming and the edges look set. Then, carefully flip them over and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown. You might need to adjust the heat slightly between batches. Your delicious pancakes are ready. Serve them immediately to enjoy their warmth and fluffiness. Stack them high on a plate and add your favorite toppings. Classic choices include a generous drizzle of maple syrup, fresh berries, or sliced bananas. For an extra treat, you could add a dollop of whipped cream or a sprinkle of powdered sugar. These homemade pancakes are perfect for a special breakfast or brunch. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.